Hello, fellow Toastmasters. I'm here with our Program Quality Director, Anna Garcia. And Anna has a vision for this year's contest season. And so I wanted to ask her Anna, would you please share your vision for our members for our upcoming contest season?
Thank you so much, Tonia. Yes, I'm happy to be here and to share what our vision is. And really, it comes down to being prepared. Preparation is the pathway to success. And I love the fact that there's pathway in there because we do have pathways in Toastmasters. But in all life, if you are better prepared to be able to succeed, then we're going to be almost guaranteed that success. And what I would love to see is that we send a district winner onto the world stage and we come out with the District 101 champion. That would be amazing. And I know that we can do it. We have some incredible stories that we have been able to hear in the division gambit as well as at the club meetings. And I know that one person out there can do that and represent us for District 101. So that's the vision.
All right. Thank you for sharing that vision and thank you for believing in our speaking talent. And with regards to that vision, you are helping the members to prepare. And so the upcoming TLI will also be one step that members can take to prepare for contest season. Would you care to elaborate on that?
Yes, I am so happy and thrilled that Pres Vasilev agreed to come and be our presenter, keynote speaker at our TLI on January 25th. It's going to be an event that's going to run from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. And he's going to do one of two things. First of all, he's going to have a keynote that's going to tell us how to win with our personal story. And then he's going to offer live coaching. And this is where somebody will be able to, their name's going to be drawn. They will be able to present 2 to 3 sentences of their speech, and he's going to give live coaching. And if you have ever participated in any kind of event like that, you know how invaluable, even if you don't get selected to present, you know how invaluable it is to be able to sit there and watch the coaching that goes on, because then you can apply that same coaching to your own speech. So if you're even thinking about competing, whether this season or next season, come take full advantage, be there in person, get to see what's happening. I think you're going to get a lot out of it. I know that I've gotten a lot out of it when Mark Brown did it many years ago for District 101. And I'm excited to see Prez because he is all about winning with your personal story.
All right. It goes right along with our theme. Your story matters this year. So there you have it. Anna Garcia believes that we have a winner amongst us, and I think that she probably believes that a lot of our speakers could win. And I have just one more question, Anna. What if we have a member who isn't interested in joining the contest? Why should that member attend this TLI?
Tonia, that's a great question. As we as humans are on a journey for better communication with our fellow other human beings, it has come to light that storytelling is a very powerful tool, no matter in what setting, whether you want to do it professionally, if you want to influence somebody, if you want to influence somebody to donate money to your newly formed company, if you want to connect with your friends and your family. Storytelling is key to making all of that possible. And I think that there's still so much to be gained, even if you're not interested in coming in as a competitor.
All right. Thank you, Anna. And we'll see you at the TLI.